The perspective crop tool is another crop tool in Photoshop that you can use. It's a little bit different than the regular crop tool, and I'm going to show you a trick on how to make this work, because most people, if you're going to try to use it, it won't let you use it. So if I click on it and try to use it here, you'll see I get an error message. It says because the image contains unsupported layer types. So if you look here in this document, I have a whole bunch of layers in here, so that could be affecting it. Now if I want to use the perspective crop on just this image here, what I'll do is I'll double click on it and it'll open up a document with just that layer. Now since it's a background layer, you're going to want to make sure you unlock it, but then you just click and drag. Say I want to do the whole image, and then you can rotate the perspective however you like. Click this check mark when you're done. You're going to use this when working with images that contain keystone distortion. That is when an object is photographed from an angle rather than from a straight on view. So this was kind of a bad example picture, but I just wanted to show you how to get it working because a lot of people have trouble actually using this tool. Alright, so the top options, we got our presets. Then we got the height and the width. You can swap the height and the width with this button here. You can change the resolution, and you can change it from pixels per inch to pixels per centimeter. Then we just got a front image or clear button, and also a show grid button. If you have show grid turned on, then you'll be able to see this grid here. If it's off, then you won't see it. And then last but not least, we got the cancel button or the commit button. And this is what you're going to click after you finish making whatever edits to the grid and you're done. Then you just click done. Alright, so that's the perspective crop tool, guys. If you got any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.